Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm having a little bit of an off day today, so sorry if this video is all over the place. I'm also filming in my car. I don't know why, I just felt more cozy in here today. I did already do a nail tutorial using a product that Beautybigbang sent to me. It's nail sequins. I showed them to you, I believe I did, in my last video. You'll see them in a second, but they look like little mermaid scales. Let me just say that I ended up loving them, and I've been getting so many compliments. I've been getting so many compliments from people. I think that you guys should really check out their website if you like affordable makeup products. It's not just makeup either, it's like beauty products. So they have brushes and like nail clippers, all different nail accessories, and everything that you can think of is on there. So you can take a look in the description and I'll put a link to their website. There will also be a 10% off coupon code in there. A lot of people don't like using coupon codes from YouTubers because they think that we get a percentage, and some people do for certain things, but I'm not getting paid for this if you use my code. I'm just sharing it with you so that I can bring attention to this amazing company that sent me these products for free. I also wouldn't tell you guys this stuff if I didn't truly like it. I would do an honest review for you no matter what. So yeah, here we go. Here are the little sequins that Beautybigbang sent to me. I ordered this chrome powder off of Amazon. This is the no wipe gel top coat that I use. Wow, that was kind of hard to say. I got this on Amazon as well. Amazon is where I go for everything because it's just so easy, and I have Prime shipping. I've been using this for a little while now and I really like it. Okay, yes, I know my acrylics are not the best, but you know what? I just learned to do acrylic nails myself a couple months ago, and it's really hard trying to do them on yourself, so don't judge me for that. I like how I'm like using my finger to point at you right now. So I already buffed them with this little buffer square thingy, and then I sanitized them with some alcohol. I think this is 91% alcohol. So it has less water in it, which is better, I believe, when you're doing this. And I have a bunch of different size tweezers to try and figure out which ones will be best for grabbing these tiny little things. So let's just get started. Oh, you like how my nail gel thing says "you spicy"? It's like it's complimenting me every single time that I use it. I love it. It also came with these fancy gloves. I really don't like putting my whoa, it sounded like someone crashed. I really don't like putting my tattoo in the UV or LED lights because I feel like it's going to damage it and make it fade a lot faster. So these gloves help me feel like I'm going to a ball, and then they also help me to avoid any damage to my skin as well. Shout out to my amazing, wonderful mama for giving this to me for Christmas. Okay, I'm going to start by just applying a top coat to all of them. So gel polish needs to be pretty thin, and you shouldn't get it on the cuticle area. I've done that before on accident and it lifted right away. It's also not good for your skin. I have very shaky hands if you can't tell, especially because I drink a lot of caffeine all day long. This light right here is really bugging me. My skin looks really dry, but I'm actually a lotion fanatic, so that's just because I sprayed my hands with alcohol, like I told you. Okay, so for both of these sequiny type accessory things, I'm going to apply these before I cure it in the lamp. That way it can hold it. But for the chrome powder, I have to do that after it's cured, and then I'll put a top coat on top of that as well. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. I just realized that I didn't even put on my fancy glove for this hand, but luckily this is not the hand that my tattoo is on. I'm hoping these pointy tweezers will work okay. Not even sure where I'm going with this design. I'm trying to stick it down as much as possible. I know it's probably hard to see since it's like holographic, but I don't want the edges sticking out too much. I really regret drinking coffee before doing this. Whoa, I grabbed two. Well, I think I messed that one up because they do have a little bit of a curve to them, which makes it easier to apply to your nail without having them stick up. I don't know if I can grab it off. Oh, there we go. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go with that. It turned out pretty good, I think. Let me cure that. If you guys want to see me do my acrylic nails, even though I know I'm probably not doing it all that great, then just let me know in the comments. I can also do another tutorial with these if you like watching nail tutorials. So just let me know. I'm going to put these in right now and then I'll do the chrome. Wow, I really like that, and I kind of don't even want to put chrome powder on my fingers, but I'll do it for you guys. Okay guys, I'm doing it right this time. I got my fancy glove on. Now I'll just apply the chrome powder over the nails. I guess I should zoom you in for this so you can see better. It's really easy. You just buff it into your nails and then I top coat it after and cure it again so that it'll protect it a lot more. When I went to the nail salon and had this done one time, they didn't put a top coat on it after, and it chipped off very easily, so I'd highly suggest doing that. Yes, there is excess powder all over my fingers, but I'll just brush that off after, once it's cured. Now I'm going to put another thin layer of the top coat on, and we'll cure it. When I do this, I try and wipe my brush off every time before I go back into the bottle because I don't want to contaminate the whole thing. Sometimes I don't want chrome on my nails, so you don't want to put chrome in the bottle. Oh, that one did not cure. On this nail, I did put the top coat on a little bit thicker to make sure I can try and cover the sequins as much as possible so that the edges are not sticking out and getting caught in my hair and stuff like my nails always seem to do. Okay, now I'm gonna cure those again. I don't know if the chrome is even showing on camera, but it's really pretty. It has a mermaid effect to it. It has some golds and pinks and a hint of like yellowish blues, the same as the sequins actually. It matches it really well. Can you see it? I don't know. In person it's really nice, but that's not what I'm reviewing today. I am reviewing these sequins, and I like that they're curved. I can still feel them on my nail, but I only put one top coat over them, and that's not a big deal, honestly. It's very hard to not feel something on your nail like that. They're super affordable. Look at how many you get. I don't know if I'll ever go through this. It looks like a little bit because it's a tiny container, but it's full and they're all stuck together in there, so there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. I think I'm just going to put one more very thin top coat on this finger only so that it'll smooth it out even more, and then I'll be done. You guys don't have to use gel polish. You can just use some nail glue like this one. This one's pretty easy because you can brush it on, so you can get it on a lot more precise than one that you just squeeze on. And then just put the nail sequins on top of that. I believe that you can apply chrome powder to regular nail polish, but it does give it a different effect. Don't quote me on that. I'm not totally positive, but I did see that one time on the internet, so it might be possible. Okay, now that I put a second top coat on top of the sequins, you can barely feel them at all, and it's really smooth. I know my hair will not get stuck on these. I actually really like it. I love how they kind of disappear. These are not the only sequins that you can get from them. Well, they have a variety of all different kinds, but for these ones specifically, they come in a few different colors. I chose these ones because they go with pretty much any color you want. They're almost clear, so they're really subtle, but it's like people don't even notice maybe from far away, and then they see your nail in the light and they're like, oh my gosh, it's like a wonderful surprise. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. If you did, remember to check out the description below, or just check it out anyway because you can take a look at all of their other hundreds of products on there. I'm serious, you should go take a look. It's really good. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I appreciate all of your support. Please remember to subscribe. When I hit 2K, I'm doing a ColourPop Cosmetics giveaway. Why am I talking so much with my hand right now? I'm being annoying. I don't usually hold the camera, so I'm like awkward right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!